Why did the first cities start? During the Stone Age, cavemen started farming. As they got better at farming, they started growing more food than they could eat. They bought and sold the extra food in markets. Cities started growing around these markets. Living in cities made people feel safe. People often lived near castles and built walls around their houses. 200 years ago, cities started growing much faster. This was because of the Industrial Revolution. People went to work in the cities because there was more money. Where were the first cities? Mohenjo-daro in the Indus Valley, in Pakistan, was one of the first cities. It was built more than 4,000 years ago. About 40,000 people lived there. If we look at a map of Mohenjo-daro, we can see the streets were straight and that there were a lot of houses and big buildings. About 2,000 years later, the biggest city in the world was Rome. It was the capital of the Roman Republic and Empire for 1,000 years. About 1 million people lived there. London was the first city to have more people than Rome. It was the biggest city in the world between 1831 and 1925. Then New York grew bigger. Now the biggest city in the world is Tokyo.